I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email address to your iPhone's Mail app.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open your Settings app. Next, scroll all the way down to the Apps section of your settings and select that. Then scroll down either using the slider on the right or just scrolling to the Mail app and open that. Next, open your Mail accounts and select Add an account. You can choose from any of these options: iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook.com, or other. In this particular instance, I'm going to select Google just to show you what it looks like. Once you tap any of these options, it will load a sign-on page for you to sign in with any particular account. In this instance, it's Google. You're going to type in your email address, click next, and then type in your password, and it's going to sign into your email provider. Next, you're going to want to choose the information for your Mail app to sync. So click on that Gmail account or whichever account you chose, and you're going to want to select the apps to sync which data to. So I want to sync to my mail information. I want to sync to my contacts, and I want to sync my calendar. So I want all of these to be green. If you have any notes on that particular email account, then you would want to sync those as well. Now, once you open your Mail app, you will see all of your inbox data from that particular email address has populated here. It will take some time to download all of your new inbox items. As you can see, it shows downloading on the very bottom right here. Just be patient, and then it will be fully loaded and ready.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.